So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix no service or signal problem in your Samsung Galaxy A17. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Galaxy phone show no services or weak signal, so try to perform these fixes to restore your connectivity. So guys, first thing is guys, you simply turn on and off your aeroplane mode. It helps you to refresh your network. So simply swipe down and click here and turn it on. Okay, another thing is guys, you restart your phone. For restart, just click here, tap on the option of restart. Then third thing is guys, you reinsert your sim card once. Simply remove your sim card and reinsert it. Another thing is guys, you reset your network settings. For resetting the network settings, just open settings, then guys go to the option of channel management, then reset, and simply click on the option of reset all the settings. Okay, then guys, you try to update your application once. So for updating, just open software update, download and install, and here the install now. So these are the basic fix that you can done to fix this issue. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.